Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios. Today we are going over our favorite picks of outdoor furniture on all of Amazon. And you guys, this is from ZZ, and this is probably my pick for the most comfortable outdoor patio furniture. You guys, there's a lot of modern furniture that's really in style right now, especially when you're talking about outdoor furniture. You know the looks, there's no armrest or a very minimal one. There's just that minimal design, low profile, maybe no back at all or a really short one. And those look great. They look super modern and clean. But the downside to that is you do give up a little bit of comfort. This set is going to be super comfortable, and I think it's going to feel the most like you are sitting in your comfortable chair at home. These have a really high back. The cushions go all the way up the back, and you're gonna have a really large full-size armrest. So this is going to feel the most like you're sitting in your comfy chair at home, you're sitting on a real couch. In fact, these are great for indoor or outdoor use, whatever you would like. They're super comfortable. They are PE wicker, so you know that that is going to last and last. The cushions are UV protected and they're also water resistant. You can zip off the cover and easily wash them. The entire thing, because it's PE wicker, again, you guys, it's not going to break down. It's not going to rust or crack or get moldy like normal wicker may. All you have to do to clean it is just kind of spray it and wipe it down. It's super easy. This is easy to put together, and it's really cute and functional, super comfortable. And there's a lot of different ways that you can arrange the pieces of furniture to give you a ton of options of what's going to work for you best in your situation. So go ahead, you guys, put this in your cart. You're gonna be really happy with it.